Hi guys, I just like to update my the setting or DIY water system of my hydroponic. So I think this is already been done. So the water now is, see, I changed this one to 120 volts and then it's okay now. All of them have water. See, meron. So naglalong na ako ng Omity, that one. So this is already washroom. Yeah. So now the water now is coming out. So all of them, see, mayroon lahat. Mayroon lahat. See the outlet of the water. I think that is enough, the flow of water. So thank you again. So natapos na rin yung ano ko, hydroponic. So the next step is to prepare the nutrient. So I order already the nutrient, so I have to mix, and then if my seedlings already been grow, so lilipat ko na sa dito. Bibili pa ko ng coco feed or sodas, coco sodas. So guys, thank you very much for watching my short video pertaining my DIY hydroponic, the water system, and also the pipe, the paglalagyan ito. Sariling sikap lang. Thank you. Umulan. So ito, okay na itong door. Itong door ko, hindi na lang ito tinapos ko. Yan. So thank you again. God bless. I was there. Thank you, Lord.